Hey guys, back with another demo. You know, content marketing is hard. You invest a lot of time and energy in the content that you've already created, and having digital signage isn't a new thing that you have to make content for. We want to make it perfectly clear that you can reuse all the content that you're using elsewhere and repurpose it on your digital signage. You could simply just upload them into your library, or there are even quicker, easier ways like the one I'm about to show you today. So today I'm going to show you how to create a story out of YouTube videos that you already have on your channel. So first thing you do is you go to templates and you grab a YouTube, and let's grab a few more. Good. So we have 4 different YouTube videos that we're going to broadcast on our TV. So what you do is you click on the gear up here and you replace that with your YouTube URL and you hit load. And then you get that video there. Okay, you do the same with the other ones. Click on that YouTube video, grab YouTube URL from your channel, click on the gear, put it in the window, load the video. Do it with the next one. Same thing, open up the gear, grab a different URL, put it in there, load the video, and let's do it for the last one. Okay, so now you have this video playing in the first media, this video playing in the second media, another one of your YouTube videos playing in the third media, and another one playing in your last one. So you're basically creating a curated playlist from your YouTube channel to repurpose on your digital signage. Well, once that's done, you just hit broadcast, select the display you want it to go on, and you're done. Those YouTube videos are broadcasting on those displays. When one finishes, the next one starts, and so on and so on. Well, I hope you found this demo helpful, and thank you for choosing Display.Stream.